I am going to grab my ellipse tool and show you how to type along a path. Look up in the options bar and make sure that you're on path mode. When I draw with the ellipse tool, I just click and drag, and if I hold my shift key down, it will constrain it to a perfect circle. Anytime I hold the space bar down while I'm drawing this path, it will move the path around into a new position. And when I let go of the space bar, then I can continue to either grow or shrink it. I'll let go of the mouse button now, and there's my ellipse. If you'll look at my layer, you'll see that nothing has changed there. It's just a blank layer. That's because it's an invisible path, but you can see it over here in the Paths panel. So if it's not selected in the Paths panel, you won't see anything. All you need to do to make it active is to click on it in the Paths panel. So with the path active, I'm going to grab my horizontal type tool. This is what a normal text cursor looks like. When I move it on top of a path, it turns into a type along the path cursor. If I have created a closed shape and move it inside the shape, it turns into a fill this shape with text cursor. Okay, so to type along a path, all you need to do is to decide where you want the text to begin, and then just click on that part of the path. So I'll put that little crosshair right on the path and click. The lorem ipsum text will appear, and all you need to do is just start typing. This has created a new path with the text that I have just typed. I can click on this new path at any time to make it active, and then use my text tool to go in and make any changes to the text that I want to do. Now I'll show you how to put type within a shape. So all you do is put your horizontal type tool within the shape and click, and you'll get the lorem ipsum text. The same thing also works if you're using shapes rather than paths.